what's up, folks. I know it's been a long time, so I decided I'll do an update. You could say October update, I guess. I just decided to get back to the workshop, clean it up the other day, and now I have to finish some things. So, here we are. The workshop. I'm not sure if I ever made a video of this place, but yeah, a lot of the cars are here, and I'm helping my friend out Africa with some of his vehicles. Well, whenever he decides to get his axle off. But I did a whole video on removing. We removed the body off of the G-Wagon because we want to replace it with the body that's out there. And also the E55 works. I don't know if I had a video on that. But yeah, we want to replace with that body. And got to replace the doors and everything because this was involved in a rollover or something like that. So there's the 606 for it. Here is, I'm just getting sidetracked all the time, but there's a 606 for it. We got a manual inside the back. But yeah, I'm just gonna get it done. Got to take these axles off and paint the whole chassis. What else? But yeah, this is just a cool little area. It gets hot as hell when the sun's out, so it's nice today. 300 CE still needs to get paint. I need to sand it down and clean everything off. It was outside for a long period of time and has some surface rust on where I sanded down prior and put some light epoxy or epoxy primer over it. What else? So this is the back area where a lot of more stuff are, I guess. There's body panels for the 300 CE, like facelifted hood, trunk lid because the other one has a dent on it, and I have a door over there for the driver's side. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace it or not. I might just fix the dent. I really hate doing body work, so I just buy panels because I could find them for cheap, and I'd rather pay $60 for a fresh panel than spending 2 hours taking a fucking dent out. Anyways, monoblocks I need to get refinished. Monoblocks I need to get refinished. Monoblocks I need to get refinished. Monoblocks I need to get refinished, and some BBS RS or RC090 or something like that. They're from a 5 Series. This is a 606 that is actually what I'm doing today. I have to put the clutch, flywheel, and transmission back on the 606 that was going in the wagon. The station wagon over here. Unfortunately, I think in May, I was supposed to go on a road trip. I was rushing this shit, and I was like, oh, I'm going to take it. Ended up stripping one of these bolts into the block, which was awesome. So, ended up trying to drill it out. That didn't really work. What's it called? I didn't do anything then, actually. Africa came up to me and was like, yo, we should just plasma cut it out. So, just hit it with a plasma cutter, drilled the hole straight through it, then used a regular drill, drilled it out to a circle, and then just put a long bolt and a nut on the other end and torqued it once I got everything else down. So that's that. Got to get this done today. There's a bunch of other motors like 5.4 V8s and another 606, garbage ass 617 I think that is, and 2 more 5.4s, 32 M104 and a 36 M104. But yeah, that's just like the work area, I guess. I'm gonna get done with this and I guess get another video of me putting it in the car. Hopefully I could fire it up soon. I say that all the time. It's been like 2 years. But anyways, thanks. Comment, subscribe, like my stuff. I'll potentially make more. Peace.